Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Gogui and I run TimelessLook. And as you can see by the title below, or if you've watched other videos in my channel, you're probably guessing what I'm doing today. I'm going to be doing an unboxing for KKW, Kim Kardashian West's fragrance. Launched their Valentine's Day fragrances. Ordered 2, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of 2 fragrances, which let's see. And without further ado, let's get it started. So I got my box, and like always I got my scissors ready. And so first and foremost, packaging, very nice. Fragrances look like this. This is Bae. Is it BFF? Both fragrances are a total of 1 full ounce. They are marketed for $30 each, so very reasonable price for perfumes. And Bae has notes of mandarin, kiwi, jazz, gardenia blossom, a lot like the last fragrance that she launched, and vanilla and sandalwood. A low-key thing about sandalwood is that it attracts love and prosperity into your life, so just throwing it out there. This one is wild berries, pink rose petals, vanilla and marshmallow, and cedarwood. So that's why I really, if you saw my last video for KKW's unboxing, I love that woody, that musky smell, that very natural smell. So that's the reason why I picked these 2, because I believe the other one, the purple one, I forgot its name, was way too sweet for me. And that marshmallow and that, I know it had like a candy in it. I'm like, I know I'm not gonna like it. I'm not that kind of sweet tooth. The packaging, let me open it. It has a very similar touch and feel like her other packaging, that it's like a very soft velvety feel material. So this is the packaging, and it looks like this. It's very cute because it's gonna have a 2, like to my bae, from your bae. And in the back it has KKW Fragrance, Kimoji Hearts. Looks like this. Also the same feel, same from and to sign. And this is BFF. Putting one in one hand, the other one in the other hand. And I'm also going to be doing a wear test to see what wears on me best. When you open it, you get it like this. It's a very small, like my palm size. And these are cute. They actually have very nice, hard crystal feel to them. Because I'm hesitant about the BFF one, that's the pink one, I'm going to be trying that first because I know I like more musky flavors. This might be more muskier than this. BFF. So it looks like this. Goes to my palm hand size, and I'm pretty short, but it's very nice. It's a very cool, kind of perfect size to put in your bag if you want to. So let's see how this, oh, and when you open it, it looks like this. It smells good, actually. It smells very nice, like for a very casual day-to-day. If you go to school or if you go to work, it's not too strong. It's actually very nice. You can smell the floral scents, you can smell the rose. But you can smell like a very light sweetness. I cannot smell the cedarwood whatsoever. I'm just going to let it rest to see how it smells in a couple of hours, and I will get back to you. And now I'm spraying Bae on myself to see how that smells. This one, this one's actually a little bit harder to open. Cute. Now this one is my favorite. This one really smells good. It smells like something I've never smelled before, so that's good that I can't really relate to another scent that smells like that. It smells very good. I can smell like the citrusy mandarin. You can smell definitely the jasmine into it. And it has a very light undertone of the gardenia smell from her crystal gardenia, the original white one. And also you can't really pinpoint the musky scent. However, I'm also going to let it wear throughout the day to see how it wears. I thought this one was going to be way sweeter than what it actually is. And it's actually very nice. It's very soft. It's very kind of like an everyday perfume, like a body wash that you just want to spray, and it's delicious, honestly. And this one smells like also like an everyday one, but I think I like this one better. If I was to pick in between these two, I like this one better. And I don't know, I really like it. It's sweet. It's also like very citrusy and natural and like fresh. This one is like more of a juicy, like candy, floral, garden kind of feel. I don't know, I really like both of them. I'm probably going to be wearing both. Honestly, if they're still in stock, I really recommend you to get either one of them, because I'm pretty sure I was not going to like the purple one because it's just too sweet for my taste. But if you're that kind of person that really likes sweetness, or go buy it because it is nice. So I'll be back in a couple of hours and tell you how it all went. And it's been like a couple of hours after my last video, and I wanted to get back to you because I wanted to see how the wear test was. So without further ado, okay, so from these two, this one doesn't smell as potent as it first began to smell. So this one still smells sweet and all, but very subtle now. I think that with that subtleness, it kind of smells a little bit good because it's not too strong. That's why I said that it's a very good everyday one. However, I'm not sure, like, I've only had it on for maximum a couple of hours. If you're with it the full day, it might not last. So that's where I think the size comes into play, because you can just have it in your bag and you can just kind of spray more around the day. But I think it's there, but it's not there. For Bae, which I had in this side, this one actually smells much more than this one. This one almost you can't really smell, but this one on the other hand is like there. And I absolutely love the smell. Like, I'm obsessed with this smell. Like, both of them are very nice, but this one is like not as good as Crystal Gardenia Oud. Just throwing it out there. However, my favorites at the moment are Crystal Gardenia Oud, this one, and then this one. Thank you so much for watching. So yes, those were my honest opinions about the perfumes. If they're still in stock, I really haven't checked their website. Either way, I'll link it down below, and I'll link my reaction to the Crystal Gardenia Oud as well down below for you to check it out if you guys would like to purchase this, because they're very good price for the fragrances that they are. This is Gogui. If you guys are not following me in my Instagram, make sure to follow at TimelessLook. And with that being said, I am gone. Till the next time, guys. Peace and love, my timeless souls. I'll be seeing you in the next one.